Okay, we rolling again. 625-22. We got the professional roofer here today. Robert Gonzalo Lankster. He's nailing it down. And we're going to stop this leak, Tyler. And we ain't going to fix it. If it ain't broke, we ain't going to fix it. Robert is talking that doggone stuff down tight and right. And I got Smokey. You here, ain't you, Smokey? I got Smokey in the background.
Right.
And we're going to nail this thing all the way down. Putting screws. It's been sealed with silicone. And we're going to put silicone on top of the gap as well as underneath the gap. We're going to stop this leak. Bobby, you absolutely certain that it's going to hold?
Yes, I am. I'm secure. I'm pository. What do you say? I'm suppository.
How long you been in the roofing business?
30 years.
30 years. That's good enough for me.
I'm glad to be talking.
Really?
The roof I did was some shingle roof of Will Roy. Will Roy. First roof I did.
30 years ago.
30 years ago. I'm 60 years old.
You're 60 years old now.
Years old.
But they had no screws on their side.
They had no screws on their side. We put them screws. I would screw that side, but they ain't have no screws on their side.
Check those screws over there. He ain't got but 1 or 2 rows over there. The guy that installed this roof looked like he went short on.
He changed up. His wood or something. He didn't have a line on it, and it's screwed here. But he might have for a part with these screws. Whoever put it on, they just tacked it on there. I mean, you can go every 3 foot. Sometimes 4 foot, depending on time, but every 3 foot from the bottom, you're going to have every 3 foot.
A line of screws.
A line of screws.
Well, he got that's almost 6 feet there. But anyway,
It's all right.
at the end of the video, we got to get this thing finished.